Yes, en ek het seker so 3 of 4 liter krokerie afgegee. Ten minste 2 keer die stuk. Ons kan net by kos moet doen. Hy het gegooi.
Well, I don't know why I came here tonight. I got the feeling that something ain't right. I'm so scared in case I fall off my chair, and I'm wondering how I'll get down the stairs. Clowns to the left of me, jokers to the right. Here I am, stuck in the middle with you. Yes, I'm stuck in the middle with you, and I'm wondering what it is I should do. It's so hard to keep the smile from my face. Losing control, yeah.